I would like to believe that I have been fairly vocal about the availabilities of a lot of Planar based IMs in the dollar 100 to 200 price range, and here too we are looking at a Planar based IM. I believe this is the Tinhifi DUDU. I have another Planar based IM on the way, which is uh, which is the new Hidis MP143. We will look into both of these IMs, and this time around what I'll be doing is I'll be providing a initial impression within this unboxing video. I will unbox it and then will add a initial impression video within this video. So yeah, you just do not need to look at the stuff inside it. I will give you a bit of insight into the sound quality, sound signature, and how it compares to a few other IEMs in this price range. The Dudu Tinhifi has been making a lot of Planar based IEMs. They have a flagship, I think P2 Max or something like that. They have a P1 series, P1 Max, and that kind of stuff. And this is their Dudu. This one is supposed to be the some commemorative uh, version with commemorative commemorative edition with a type C cable too. So this is interesting, priced at $100. And if we look at the LetShuoer S08, this one is priced at exactly $100 too. So it will be a comparison competition to the S08. They both have 13 mm Planar drivers. So yeah, that is similar to, maybe they share the exact driver, possibly. I will not say that they exactly do, but we can guess that they might be sharing that. So good padding, very good protection for the IM. I like it. I like this kind of attention to details in hi-fi. This is a card website, tinhifi.com. IMs are slightly bigger than the S08. You guys can see, looks nice, slightly bigger than the S08 when it comes to volume. I like this, no problem with that. Metal, somehow the cheaper IMs have metal shell, and the expensive ones have resin and that kind of stuff. This is the type C cable, looks decent, I do not mind. While the other one is a 3.5 mm cable, no balanced cable in this box. I will use it with the type C cable, and we will see how this works, because this is what this IM is mostly about. The what is that name, commemorative edition is all about. So this is the foam tip, and there are some other tips. I am not going to take this out because I have a lot of tips very similar to this. So yeah, that is that. I will see if this is a bit on the sharper side. I might decide to go for the foam tip, or else it does not make a lot of sense to use the foam tips here. How to take this out now? This is a task I am not up for. Difficult, come on. This is not coming out, this foam is not coming out, and the IM, the earpiece is stubbed a bit too deeper inside the foam. So let me stop it and let me get it out first. Finally, I have the earpieces with me. This look nice, no problem with the build or anything like that, metal build, and the size is decent. I somehow believe that S08 is slightly smaller in volume, but might not be in length. This might be a bit more comfortable than the S08. Both are priced similarly, as I have already mentioned. We will see how this compares to the S08 in my initial impression within within this video. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Tinhifi DUDU. As I had mentioned earlier, I will not only unbox the IM, I will include an initial impression within that video. So yeah, this is the initial impression of the Tinhifi DUDU. Now, one thing you guys can see here is that just look at this. It is slightly on the shallower side. Okay, this is the lip on the nozzle, and the tip kind of travels deeper into the body, into the shell, and it will be providing better isolation if you have a tip with longer nozzle, or else this tip is not exactly bad, but the fit can be a bit on the shallower side, and isolation is not exactly great. That was the first thing that I felt about the Doodoo. If we look into the sound quality, this is nothing like what the LetShuoer S08 has on offer. S08 is lacking sub bass, while this one is very endowed when it comes to sub bass. It has very good sub bass extension and very good sub bass rumble. The clarity of sub bass on the Doodoo is very good, but unlike the S08, this one is not mid bassy. So yes, this is not a very basic kind of IM, but it has very good bass presence. If we move on to the mid range, the S08 is a bit more smoother, a bit more musically tuned, while this one has better accuracy, better clarity, and better definition. With the mid range, vocals are a bit on the precise and accurate side. Tonality and timbre are very good, no issues with the tonality and timbre at all. But S08 is a bit more on the cohesive, a bit more on the musical side, as I have already mentioned. And if we talk about the treble, that is where the Doodoo is much better than the S08. It has lot better extension, very good clarity up till the end, and we get very good sparkle sorry, very good sparkle and air between the instruments. So very good when it comes to technical abilities. Tinhifi Doodoo is very good with technical abilities. It is not great with the musical or smoothness, but this is very good, very capable if you like good amount of details with your music. So yes, this is the initial impression. I haven't put in even 1 hour of burn-in, just an initial impression of the Doodoo. Very good clarity as far as I can see. It can be much better. We will see how this pans out. I am expecting a bit more refinement and a bit more cleanliness maybe with the instruments, but it's still at this point of time is very good. I will recommend the Doodoo for anyone who is looking for very good clarity over the S08. But if you want musicality, I will say wait for the MP143. That might be the one instead of the S08. Or else Doodoo is very good for just $8. Sorry, not 8, 80 dollars. If you are going for the commemorative version with the type C cable, that cable sounds good. Okay, and one interesting fact is that that cable is not using the uh, built-in DAC chip. That one doesn't have a DAC chip inside it, and it kind of uses the phone's DAC chip, which is okay, interesting. I do not mind that, but this cable is not exactly adding anything to the Doodoo's sound quality. What it is doing is making it more convenient given that your mobile phone does not have a 3.5 mm jack, and you are willing to use it with the type C port, so it is not adding anything extra when it comes to sound quality, but it is a good addition for those who like to use their REMs on the go. So yeah, this is it. This is the initial impression and unboxing of the Tinhifi DUDU. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.